More details now about a case that has the city, two Tulsa police officers, and former police chief Wendell Franklin in the middle of a lawsuit. Yesterday, I detailed what's being called an avoidable rape that happened here in Tulsa in 2023. Today, 2 News Oklahoma's Steph Manchin sat down with the survivor's attorney, who says someone needs to take accountability.
Everybody's to blame for what happened here. It should have never happened.
Christopher Brecht speaking on behalf of his client, who was strangled and raped by her ex-boyfriend, Denzel Berryman.
Not only could the rape of my client been avoided, I actually believe that the police created it. They created the opportunity. They emboldened this rapist to take it a step further.
Before the incident escalated, the lawsuit she filed says she called 911 because Berryman had hit her and was making violent threats. Officers left the scene without filing a report or making Berryman leave the premises.
They left her to this man's whims. They essentially told this man, by just abandoning her, law enforcement's not going to step in here, do what you want. And he did.
Those officers, the city of Tulsa, and former police chief Wendell Franklin, all named in the suit. Brecht says the officers violated protocol a number of times, including being involved in a romantic relationship while on the same unit.
We're starting from a fact that those two officers should have never been alone at that scene by themselves with these two people. We're just starting from a place of bad and going from there.
Another issue, only one of the officers' body cameras was turned on, and not from the start of the call. After watching how his client's call for help and the investigation that followed were handled, Brecht says this case is sending a very clear message to the people of Tulsa.
The message this sends is that Tulsa County, and the city of Tulsa is not a safe place for women.
Brecht claims this is not the first case of domestic violence he's seen not be taken seriously in Tulsa. Franklin is named because he was chief at the time of the 2023 incident, and it's documented that this was not the first time one of those officers had violated the body camera policy.
Your supervisors don't care enough to say there's a consequence. Then that's why we've got to file a lawsuit, because clearly you're not going to police yourselves, no pun intended.
As of Brecht's last check, one of those officers is still employed by TPD. We have yet to verify this ourselves.
It's a real shame that we can't make change because we're too busy trying to defend our actions when they're truly indefensible.
In Tulsa, Steph Manchin, 2 News, Oklahoma.